Hi. Welcome to the magical update. Just kidding.
Like how you could sit over here and just like, look, there's a secret door.
Wow.
It's so pretty.
This looks nice. Wow.
Wow, I love it.
Yeah, this looks nice. Look at all the cities on the coast, on the coastline. The cities, I mean the houses.
The houses. Oh, worth the 2-hour drive, Will?
This is the kind of place my dad likes to go fishing.
Look, all these boats.
This is where my dad would go if he had time.
If he had the time to go 4 hours out of his way to go fishing, he'd probably have to stay the night here.
House?
Yeah.
Exit only.
These Vincent's car is right there.
This is a weird ass restaurant.
Oh my god, I'm here! Hey Magical Babes, Adeline here, and today me and the Popcorn Club are here at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre House, which is crazy. We're gonna eat breakfast here for Jay's birthday, and we're like 25 minutes late, so off we go. Oh look, there's Erica! Wow, I'm really excited. Erica, you look so cute. Hello.
I'm gonna do the chicken fried chicken.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Bubble wrap, my favorite.
His face was like, why are you singing, Addie? It's not time
Why are you
yet.
singing? Okay. What are you doing? Stop filming me. Stop filming me. I didn't give you the right. Ooh.
Ooh, girl. Ooh, it's so shiny. I love it.
What was it, the egg
Wait.
Twin.
Open it and let me touch it so I don't give you a hole.
Right, the fucking mailman threw it at my house. I hope not.
I didn't know it was SpongeBob. There's like
It just
Gary
came out
there.
like a little while ago, like 2 weeks ago or something crazy.
Yeah, like it got released 2 weeks ago, I think.
Who released it? Who made the palette?
I think
You're gonna be a makeup artist.
I've seen some really nice
Hip Dot. Hip Dot.
It's a good brand. Or, I mean, I've seen a lot of examples of people putting it on and it looks pretty good.
Ooh, look at that shine. I love it. Oh, even SpongeBob shines too on one side.
But it's based on a real eyeshadow palette.
Oh girl, look at that face. What is it? Show me.
It's a bracelet with the horror icons on it. There's the shape, Michael Myers, It, Freddy Krueger, Jason Voorhees, and
That's cute.
is that the Wolfman?
That's Chucky.
Oh, Chucky.
It could be the Wolfman.
It's hard to tell.
I thought it was Chucky.
Maybe you're right.
There's Ghostface. Like you paid a lot of money for that, sir.
I love it.
I like it.
I love it.
You're welcome.
Jay, let me
Thank
touch it so I don't give you a hole. Beep. Happy birthday to you.
You want to like flip this finger to eat.
Hey Magical Babes, time for a magical update.
Oh my god.
Jay's giving us the tour.
Careful.
It's okay, I almost fell and died. It's fine. try not to fall down these stairs. Look at the front of the house.
This is where she got stabbed in the face.
Oh wow.
That's where she saw the dead grandma, live grandpa. This is just like a chill area.
It's the club area.
Club upstairs.
Dude, if I own this place, then I always have a hot box.
I'm gonna jump out the silhouette.
It looks really cool though. Like I like how you could sit over here and just like look. There's a secret door.
Yeah,
I wonder what's inside. Hey, magical babes, time for a Hey, magical babes, time for a magical update. We're here at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house, and we're doing a little tour before we leave. Hi, there's my birthday girl. Hi, baby chick.
Gucci.
Gucci.
4 hour driving. Alright.
It's really.
Hi. Welcome to Magical Update.
That's gonna be my opening. Here, there you go. Stop. Turn around.
Hi, but it's based
3,
on a real house.
2, 1. Next. 3, 2, 1.
What the hell? Where'd you get that wig from?
She wanted me to
Don't worry
wear
about
it
my means. Okay.
so I can be like
Is it on?
Sally
Just give it a little
from.
tug.
She had it with her the
It's in
whole
the car.
time.
Okay, so that works. And now let's go to the door and Addie.
You want me to? Oh my god.
Yeah, Addie, have your camera ready.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
Cute. Wait, let me get the.
Oh god, what's happening?
Come on, we're burning.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bye, house. Hey, magical babes, time for a magical update. Me and the Popcorn Club are down here at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house. I've never seen the movie, but I had a lot of fun at the house, and everyone was telling me all the facts and everything about the story in the movie, and I thought it was really interesting. But for now, we're gonna head to Austin, and I'm like a sweaty mess, so I'm just gonna turn off the camera for a little bit, and I'll see you when we get to Austin. Bye!
Turn right onto North Chamberlain Street. Then turn
Bye,
left onto
Texas
Oxford
Chainsaw Massacre house! We're here in Austin checking into the hotel, and it's Jay's first time actually planning everything and booking the room, so I'm gonna go follow him. Jay!
Too slow.
No.
It has to be green, Brad.
Here, I'll do it. What are you doing?
You got this!
Kelly, can't even open the door.
Woo! Here we go!
Hi, welcome. Welcome to my crib. No, okay. Room tour. Well, turn this camera around. Look at this pretty bathroom. It is actually pretty nice.
It's so big. I like the little tub.
Yeah, tub, shower.
And then it has a wall for the toilet in case Justin wants to go here and Cassandra's in the
I
shower.
wonder if you can like change the heads. You probably can. That's probably what that switch is for. I really like this.
I like the counter. Ooh.
Alrighty. I'm gonna come to. Oh, Erica, they do have a microwave.
Oh yeah, good. Like a toaster oven, right? Oh, look at the coffee machine.
A coffee and tea maker
Oh,
thing.
for the ice when you want ice.
Little fridge.
Ooh. I like this little area of nothing. Okay. Jason. The little desk and Erica's bed for the night.
That would be fun. Put on your shoes.
One bed. Two bed. And we have Angel over here texting.
My slave name.
And then we have the TV. And then we have a mirror. Hi. And then we have this gorgeous view of the parking lot.
Sorry, I didn't get like
the view's like 5 minutes away. Well,
okay.
I like how this guy is like there.
Is that the mall right there?
Oh, there's a mall.
I think that is the mall.
We're right across from the mall. Okay.
Let's go to the mall. Texas Chainsaw Massacre shot glass from the gift shop. Off we go to the mall. Well, we're really going to the theater to see a scary movie. We're at the movie theater having some more haunted house horror movie fanatics. Gucci.